So this is day 3 hair. I just wanted to update you guys. So far the color is still on point. It didn't fade. I didn't face any issues while sleeping. My curls are still looking defined. I started to see a lot more frizz on the top and my scalp is a bit irritated. An issue I'm facing is today I started feeling like my scalp begin to itch and irritation just in the front and the back. Due to the scalp irritation and itchiness and dryness, I will shower. This usually doesn't happen to me on the 3rd day, but I'm assuming because of the product, it's causing some side effect to my scalp or my scalp doesn't like it. So I am for sure gonna shower because I don't want this issue to escalate. I can just wash it off with water and the color should go away, but I will for sure do a scalp scrub just to get the residue from the wax off and the buildup off my scalp. I will for sure use a clarifying shampoo, also get rid of any leftover color or anything blocking my follicles. I hope you guys like my review of the product and the experience that I faced with it. You guys were with me the whole journey, and hopefully you guys keep on watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.